So hi guys, so this video will be looking into multi-threading using Runnable Interface. But why do we need a Runnable Interface? So when it comes to Runnable Interface, so what we can do here is um, we can take this away. Okay, if you look at start, I mean, why are we using start when threading doesn't need a start? So when it comes to Runnable Interface, we say implements Runnable, and then we can change this as well, Runnable as well. So and then what happens here is that um, we can actually come up with thread.t1 equals new thread, and we come up with thread.t2 and come up with new thread as well. Close it, and we change this to T1, and we try to change this to T2. And if you see, it has some problems here and there. So implements Runnable. So if you look at this, we can actually connect this object with our thread. So how is it done? Object 1, object 2. And we can also change our class to Runnable, okay, because English implements Runnable, so we can change it to Runnable. And this can be changed to Runnable as well. Okay, maybe can we start to run the project? Yeah, we still can get the same output just as we did in the first part, where we just use threading, multi-threading. And here, as we are using Runnable, where we implement Runnable, and it still works. It's just that you need to come up with some new classes using the multi-threading method. So I hope you have learned somewhat about how we can use Runnable Interface in by using multi-threading. So don't forget to press the bell and subscribe to our channel. Wait until the next video that is out. See you guys. Bye.